For Jude Kilby, the public inquiry being held into the pandemic in Scotland will be in memory of her father. Harry Kerridge caught COVID in a care home in April last year and died 18 days later.
I didn't get there in time, and I didn't even go in because the home had lots of COVID in it. I wasn't going to go in there when my dad was already dead. So it was incredibly distressing, and we don't want other people to go through this.
So if you are 16 or over...
The Scottish arm of the campaign group COVID-19 Bereaved Families for Justice pushed for this inquiry and got the result they wanted.
The inquiry will look at all matters related to the handling of the pandemic that are within our devolved competence, and this will include, of course, the situation in our care homes. However, we will also liaise closely with the UK Government and other devolved governments on the likely terms of a UK-wide inquiry.
Failures in care homes will be one crucial line of inquiry, alongside the wider health impacts of COVID, the effect on education and society, and the economic impacts in Scotland of a pandemic that is far from over. In political terms, Scotland's government has stolen a march on Westminster. Boris Johnson has promised a UK-wide inquiry next year. Campaigners are hoping this announcement in Scotland will speed up that process. The group says it doubts Westminster's commitment.
We've asked 7 times, can we have a meeting with the Prime Minister and his then Health Secretary, and 7 times we were told no. There is no intention to meet with the families that I know of. He is so far behind where Scotland now is, and I hope it puts pressure on him to act sooner in behalf of all the bereaved family members throughout the UK.
There's now increasing pressure on Wales and Northern Ireland to hold their own inquiries. That Scotland's was announced as the daily number of COVID cases hit a new record here will be lost on no one. Gerard Tubb, Sky News, Glasgow.